Ho, 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 this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Friday, July 15th, 2022. It is 12:54, 9 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is LED solder session number 9. Today you'll be soldering the 9013 transistors and the two ICs, CD4017 and NE555. Well, let's hop to it here. Ho, ho, ho. Well, this is a very delicate operation. I had made some mistakes, but recovered successfully. And my project was a success and worked on the first attempt. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, Merry Christmas.